The public spheres is a web application intended to be a resource for fully mapped out arguments so that people can learn about, contribute to, and participate in arguments in areas that interest them in a deep and detailed manner. Users can contribute, organize, and vote on arguments for their own benefit and for the benefit of others. I'm going to start by showing navigation in this interface. We can navigate to each argument by clicking on the argument, and then we'll see arguments that are in response to that. We can navigate back up the argument tree by clicking on titles at the top. Usually there is a create account and sign in link in the top right, and but we're currently logged in. When you click on that link and create an account, a short demographic survey will be shown that is optional but would help with our study. Arguments can be added with the text box at the bottom of the interface. Additionally, each argument could have a subpoint, one or more, and those could be boxes for those could be added by clicking on the button here. Subpoints are ultimately shown like this on the left with a horizontal line dividing the points. Individual points could be clicked on and navigated between by clicking on the titles at the top, or with the bar on the left to see arguments that respond to all of the subpoints. I'm going to show adding an argument now to universal health care might cause long lines at medical facilities. As I type, I see previous responses that other people have added. If I reuse a previous response, then the argument that has been had in regard to that will come along with it. So I want to say here, reuse that preventative care will reduce the amount of people that will get sick. I'll click on that. And I also want to add a subpoint to that and say that if less people become sick, lines at sick care facilities will be shorter. And so currently this is going to be an opposing argument to universal health care might cause long lines at medical facilities, so I'm going to click on the oppose button. Now we see the argument's been added here, and if we click on preventative care will reduce the amount of people that will get sick, we see previous arguments that had been added to this argument. So this has been an introduction to this interface. Thanks for watching, and please try out the interface and provide feedback on how we could make it better.